Now, the price of Shiba Inu Coin is doing very well right now because, of course, the price of Bitcoin is doing very well right now. Bitcoin above that $47,000 per coin mark. Shiba Inu Coin bouncing from 880 up to 950 points per coin. The gains are looking good, and the gains, according to these analysts, could continue on. So we're going to be talking about that in a second. But I want to say this. Usually, you see altcoins outperforming Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is rising, the altcoins are rising even more. But because we're in a cycle, okay, because we're in a cycle from a bear market going into a bull market, I'm going to talk a little bit about why we're going to see Bitcoin potentially outpace the altcoins in the meantime. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2024 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're going to be earning 5% on your cash balances. Don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you're going to get that 5%. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you got KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Finally, thank you to everybody going out to Amazon, grabbing your favorite bro merch. I know you guys are loving it because you're leaving very nice reviews. Thank you very much for grabbing the SHIB merch. Same deal on that. And of course, thank you very much for grabbing anything on Amazon because you guys are burning Shiba Inu Coin. I got 25 million Shiba Inu Coin sitting in a Coinbase wallet waiting to, I don't even know what it, settle, I guess, so that I can send it to the burn wallet once again. Guys, we've been able to accumulate 25 million during the month of December. We accumulated 25 million during the month of January. I want to accumulate at least 25 million. I would love to say 25 billion during the month of February. Now, why am I so excited about that? Because it's not any money spent for you. It's not any money spent for me. It's simply leveraging these Amazon purchases to go out there and burn Shiba Inu Coin. It's free burns. 25 million now. Now total 50 million Shiba Inu Coin is going to be burned. So thank you guys very much for sharing that link and using that link as well. As always, I want to pin some of the comments. So if you guys are utilizing that link, let me go out there, leave a comment, I'll pin it, and we'll say thank you together for utilizing that link. Listen to this here. You know what? First I want to talk about the cycle. Then we'll jump into this article, okay? Normally, people expect altcoins to outperform Bitcoin. Well, one of the reasons why is because Bitcoin already has a roughly $1 trillion market cap. It's huge. How much higher can it go, right? It's so much more difficult to find billions, tens of billions, hundreds of billions of dollars in market cap increase in Bitcoin than it is to say, well, let's just double on one of these little meme coins, 100% gain on a $10,000 inflow. You see what I'm saying here? A 200% gain on a $20,000 inflow. It really is, it's counterintuitive to think that Bitcoin can outperform these little altcoins. But right now, because we're cycling from a bear to a bull market, here's how the mentality of traders and the mentality of investors works. During a bear market, people are extremely risk averse. They don't want to add any additional risk to their portfolio. And because of that, they hold the safest of the safe assets. If they continue to stay in crypto, stable coins, and Bitcoin. If they get out of crypto, they're going to be moving into bonds, CDs, savings accounts, money market accounts, and so on. And as they cycle back into the riskier assets, as things heat up and people become greedy and they begin moving towards that bull market euphoria, they start investing in riskier and riskier assets. So first of which, they will flow back into the stock market. and then they will begin to flow back into the crypto market. And because Bitcoin is considered one of the safest or one of the most well-known names in the cryptocurrency game, it is one of the first to see an increase in investment. Sorry, an increase in investment and an increase in inflows. So right now, as we cycle from bear to bull, we are seeing more money flow into Bitcoin than we are riskier assets such as Shiba Inu Coin and so on. Now, as this inflow changes to a risk-on situation, we are going to see further gains. And listen to this. Shiba Inu Coin's price eyes further gains as the burn rate skyrockets by over 190%. It says, in an astonishing development within the cryptocurrency market, Shiba Inu Coin has seen the burn rate skyrocket 190% over the last 24 hours. According to the latest burn data from SHIB Burn, we've seen 7.65 million SHIB tokens incinerated during this period. And I will say this, guys, Bone is also increasing in price, but we have not yet seen the burn by the ecosystem team. So definitely ask them what's going on with that, because they stated as soon as Bone starts to go back up and as soon as Bone starts to do well, we're going to see another one of those burns. They're sitting on a lot of money that they have not burned yet. It says this dramatic increase in the burn rate signals a significant reduction in the token's overall supply, fueling speculation of potential price increases in the near future. Shiba Inu Coin's bullish indicators. Parallel to the surge in burn rate, SHIB's market performance has also seen positive movement. The token's current price stands around 940 points per coin, marking a 2% increase over the last 24 hours. This uptick in price is mirrored by the cryptocurrency market's capitalization, which has also risen by 2% within the same time frame, now valuing SHIB at $5.53 billion. The rise in SHIB's open interest further accentuates the growing investor interest in this meme coin. According to data from CoinGlass, open interest in Shiba Inu Coin surged by 1.64% to $24.59 million in the last 24 hours. A breakdown of this interest across various exchanges reveals that $8.81 million is on OKX, followed by 7.51 on Huobi, followed by 5.91 on BitGet, with the remainder distributed among other platforms. The spike in both the burn rate and market metrics indicates a robust, growing ecosystem around Shiba Inu Coin. Investors and enthusiasts are closely monitoring these developments as they could potentially herald a new era of growth. Now, there's a lot that we have to get over. There's a lot of hurdles in our way before we see robust growth in the Shiba Inu Coin ecosystem. But I will say this, as Bitcoin is testing fresh highs, investors are going to become more and more confident. And as investors become more and more confident, they're going to be moving towards more and more risky assets. Shiba Inu Coin is a top name and a top tier investment in that risky asset space that investors know has done well in the past and therefore could do well in the future. So let me know what you guys think about the recent rise in the price of both Bitcoin and Shiba Inu Coin down there. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Claybro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord. And until the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.